about body parts. Okay, body parts. What are body parts? What is the use of a part? Yes. So see, in first picture you can see it is head. You know what is head? This is head, and we have hair on that. Okay. In second picture you can see eye. What is it? Eye. Okay. What is the work of eye? To see. Yes, to see. हम आई से क्या करते हैं? देखते हैं, विजन लेते हैं और हमारे माइंड में वो सेट होता है. दिस इज नोज. व्हाट इज इट? नोज. व्हाट डू वी डू विद इट? वी स्मेल थिंग्स एंड वी ब्रीथ. हम नोज से स्मेल लेते हैं और ब्रीथ करते हैं. ईयर. ईयर इज फॉर listening. Yes, what anybody is saying we have to listen, and this part of our body helps us in listening. Mouth, lips, teeth. Yes, these are the part which help us in speaking, eating, chewing, and whatever we are saying we just use mouth to speak. Okay, now these are shoulders. So you can see it is attached with our neck. Neck line के साथ हमारे shoulders attached रहते हैं. These are called shoulders. And full, you can see this is arm. What is it? Arm. This is hand, full hand. Okay, and we have 4 fingers. How many fingers do we have? 4 fingers in one hand and 1 thumb. Okay, total we have 8 fingers and 2 thumbs. These are called knees. Yes, this is knee, and this is leg. From thigh to foot it is called leg, and this is particularly a foot. Okay, and these are toes. We call it fingers. इनको हम fingers नहीं बोलते, इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? toe बोलते हैं. And this is a small video for you. Just watch it.
What do the parts of my body do? Eyes, neck. I can see with my eyes. I can move my head with the help of my neck. Nose, mouth. I smell and breathe with my nose. I talk and eat with my mouth. My arms, hands and fingers. I have 2 arms, 2 hands and 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. I write with my hand. I can hold a glass with my hand. I can pull with my hand.
What happened?
My arms help me do all these. I can lift with my arms. I can throw with my arms.
What happened? Yes, ma'am. Speak.
I can make
Now?
nose.
Now it is
Mouth.
audible?
I smell.
Now it is audible? Yes?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And breathe with my nose. I talk and eat with my mouth. My arms, hands and fingers. I have 2 arms, 2 hands and 10 fingers, 5 on each hand. I write with my hand. I can hold a glass with my hand. I can pull with my hand. My arms help me do all these. I can lift with my arms. I can throw with my arms. I can make things with my hands, legs and feet. I can kick. I can stand. I can walk. I can run. I can jump. I can dance. Parts of the body work together so that you can do something. Look at what I am doing in the pictures. I am dancing. I am batting. I am catching a ball. I am skipping with a rope. In each of these, each part of my body works in a special way. Many parts of the body move when we work or play. My arms and legs move. My neck and head move. My arms and hands move. My chest and back move. That is how I can do so much.
For more entertainment, log on and subscribe to www.youtube.com